Good morning, chica. Welcome to my mini garden vlog. One thing gardening has taught me is to work smarter, not harder. Last year, those tomato hornworms had me fighting for my life with only a few tomato plants. So, this year, with over 10 tomato plants growing, I'm not stressing myself out. Most of them go in the greenhouse at night and come out every morning. It may be a little extra effort, but now beats dealing with hornworms invasion later. Now, the weather said rain was coming in, but apparently nobody told my garden. Living in St. Louis, that's pretty much how the forecast works anyways. It'll say that there's a 90% chance of rain on one side of St. Louis and gets absolutely soaked while the other side is sitting in sunshine, wondering what everybody is talking about. Sometimes it's raining a few miles away and all we get is a couple clouds. That's exactly what we're doing here is a light watering today, not taking any chances. No fertilizer, not rushing, just growth and patience. It's crazy how much can change in just 24 hours. Every morning I walk outside and something's bigger, greener, and growing where it wasn't the day before. Later on this weekend, I'll take you guys along while I repot some plants and maybe show how I propagate my aloe monsteras that I sell on the side for a hustle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It costs you absolutely nothing. But it helps support me on this growing journey more than you know. Until next time, chicas, come grow with me. Bye.